Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be picking up from where we left off previously, adding bosses to the top housing. Let's hide the circuit board and bring up the top housing. Now let's right-click on the top housing, select Edit Part. Let's insert a sketch on the top plane. Take a normal 2 view. Hold down the Shift key and hit the right arrow key twice to turn the model. Next, I'm going to bring in the sketch that I used to create the boss for the bottom housing. Let's expand the bottom housing. And let's expand Extrude to, right-click and show the sketch. Now I'll select this circle. To do so, I need to right-click, select Other. And then I select the circle from the list. Now I'll hold down the Shift key and select the rest of the circles. Let's click Convert Entities, and we're ready to exit the sketch. Back to the Features tab. Extruded Boss tool, End condition will be up to body. And let's select the body. There we go. By the way, depending upon the manufacturing process, we may need to add a 1 degree or so draft angle. Let's skip that for our model. And let's click OK. Now let's hide the bottom housing. Right-click, Hide Components. We'll insert another sketch. Let's bring in the Offset Entities tool. The offset's going to be 0.9 millimeters. I'm going to pin this tool down since I'll be using it repeatedly in this lesson. Let's click this edge and the inside. Again, the inside as well. We'll do this to all the bosses. We're done with the tool. Let's cancel out to close, and we'll exit the sketch. Go to the Features tab, Extruded Cut. Let's make it a blind extrude of 2.2 millimeters. And click OK. Let's insert one more sketch. Right-click, Sketch, activate the Circle tool. I'll drop 5 circles. And last one, right-click and select to close the tool. Now you can guess what we're going to do. We'll Shift-select all the circles and add an equal relation. And then we dimension. The diameter will be 1.1 millimeters. Except, let's exit the sketch. Features tab, Extruded Cut command. Let's make our cut 3 millimeters deep and click OK. And we're done here. Let's exit part editing mode. Take an isometric view. And let's update our part. We'll bring back the circuit board as well as the bottom housing. Right-click, Show Components. Let's hide Sketch 5. Right-click and hide. Now I'm going to take a section view, and I'm going to zoom in pretty close so I can carefully examine for problems. Drag the section out. It looks pretty good. The only thing that I can think of is that we may need to add a draft angle, as I'd mentioned previously. Let's cancel out for now, though. And this concludes our lesson about adding bosses to the top housing. We are almost done with this model.